I want to show you about a feature in Google Docs that I think not a lot of people use. So here I am at docs.google.com. So this is like the Docs homepage. You can just type that in, docs.google.com. And when you do that, you end up sort of in your drive. So notice down here are some things that I have either viewed or made. But up here, I can create a new document, and then there's some other things here, and that's the stuff that I want to look at. So notice over here there's a button that says Template Gallery, and I'm going to click on that. And when I do, I end up inside a template gallery. So notice there's actually two galleries here. The first one is a gallery that belongs to the Mentor Public Schools. So this is a place where Mentor Schools employees can upload templates that lots of people might use. So notice we have a flipbook template and a 5E lesson planning template, and that's about it. There's not a whole lot here. If you wanted to put something into your school's template gallery, you would go here and click on your school district name and then click on Submit Template. So if you have a graphic organizer that all the fourth grade teachers use or something like that, that would be an example of a template that you could put in the template gallery and then everyone would have access to it. The nice thing about the template gallery is you don't have to make sure that you share so that people make a copy. When something is a template and they go to use it, their drive will just automatically make a copy of it. So that's really nice. The next thing I'm going to do is click on the General button so I can show you some of the general templates that are available. So these ones at the top are specifically designed for education and would probably be useful things to use in some of our classrooms. So notice we have an essay, and this one's kind of playful, right? It has this picture at the top. It's about our perfect pet. But then there's an essay that maybe looks a little bit sciencey, a lab report template, just a regular report template. Notice here's two like research paper templates, one formatted using MLA and one using APA. If we scroll down, there's a book report template, there's like class notes, here's lesson plans. So there's all kinds of things. Here's another lesson plan template that you might want to check out. If you keep scrolling down, you might find some things that are useful in the classroom or maybe useful outside the classroom. So you have some letters, different, a business letter, informal letter, that kind of thing. Here's resumes. So you could just grab one of these resumes and then type in your own information, and it's already formatted and has colors and all of that's done. Here's like a recipe template, pet resume. Not really sure what that's about, but maybe you have an enterprising pet who needs a resume. Here's project proposals, meeting notes. We've got some like newsletter, brochure kinds of things. So lots of stuff in here, training proposals, software licensing agreements, all kinds of things that are available for anyone to use. So I'm just going to scroll up and I guess I'll grab this lesson plan template. So I clicked on it and now notice it just opens it up in my Google Drive. So here is my version of this, and I can click up here and change the title to whatever I want, May lesson plan. And then I can, just highlight this text and call it Science Lesson Plans. And lesson plan for grade 7 science, prepared by Ms. Roediger. And overview and purpose, I can change that. I can put whatever words. And now I would have my own copy of a lesson plan. So the template gallery is definitely worth a closer look in Google Docs. I hope you'll investigate some of the things that are in there and find them useful.